So the guys people have numbers. Another day, another video. And today I'm driving to the village of Santana. It's on the other side of the island, and we go via the mountains. So yeah, let me just set up the stuff so we can continue. Let's go. So guys, I finally made it to Santana. Right now here in the city center. I don't really know yet what to find here. It's a very touristic place. I'm not sure what you can see here besides the tiny cute houses. So I just go for a walk here and see what's going on. If you can't find anything else here. Oh yeah, there they are, the tiny houses. Yeah, I'm not sure if some of them are still inhabited or if it's entirely for tourists. But yeah, let's just go over there. Some of the houses are still inhabited, not those, but I saw other tiny houses in this village, and they look like they're still inhabited. So So this is the city hall. I approve. Right guys, so after Francesinha number 3, since I'm here on Madeira, I was thinking Santana is a little bit, oops, almost got mod. Yeah, Santana is a little bit, not very that much to see, but I heard there's a lemon festival which I want to visit now. It's like a even smaller town which belongs to Santana. It's called Ilha, and we were driving there now by motorcycle. So let's go. Hey guys, so I finally found it. Let's just walk around a little bit, yeah? Let's see what's going on here. People seem like super happy. But they have yeah. Guys, there's a huge barbecue going on. Food smells pretty delicious. Yeah, unfortunately I just ate, so if I would have known that, then I would have eaten something here, but no, I think that's it. Let's go the other way. Something up there is a tent. But, yeah, let's see if I can get there. Oh, the people are really relaxed here. Fortunately, I'm here with the bike. Otherwise, I would say let's drink one or two. But yeah, fortunately, I'm with my bike here. Oh, there's the party going. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's the lemon festival. A lot of lemons.
Diz que tem a cozinha murcha, diz que tem a cozinha murcha, mas com teca não volta, mas com teca não volta.
I'm not sure what's going on there. Some kind of auction. So the guys have, people have numbers. What I found kind of odd about this festival is the biggest majority are elder people, you know, people like 50, 60 upwards. So there are barely any, you know, middle-aged people or any, you know, young people. I wonder where they are. Okay guys, I made a short stop because there is a viewpoint, and I just wanted to check out this viewpoint in the middle of nowhere. But guys, man, check out this view. Wow. This is Fayal, I guess. This is where we're heading. See that? Let's continue our way down. If you can see, we will drive down this road there, and we'll eventually somewhere end up there in Fayal. Alright, let's go. Wow, what a nice place here. Yeah guys, that's it for now for the video. This is my last spot I'm visiting today. I will chill here for a while, and then I'll go back to Funchal, driving back. And yeah, I think this was a very good day actually. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe, comment. If you like what you saw, if you have any suggestions where I could go and stuff like that, you know. Thanks for watching. That's it. I'm out. Peace. See you in the next video.